Are you planning an irrigation system for your lawn, garden, or 1-acre field, but feeling confused about whether to choose a drip irrigation system or a sprinkler irrigation system? Which one costs less to install? Which one saves more water? And which one will save you more money in the long run? If these questions are on your mind, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare both irrigation systems for a 1-acre plot, breaking down their costs, operating expenses, and overall value so you can confidently choose the system that best fits your situation. To explain everything in the simplest way possible, I've organized this guide into 4 easy-to-follow parts. In the first part, we'll go over all the components required for a 1-acre drip irrigation system. In the second part, we'll cover the components needed for a 1-acre sprinkler irrigation system. In the third part, we'll compare the complete costs of both systems, including installation, maintenance, water use, and operating expenses. And in the fourth and final part, we'll look at a real-world U.S. example comparing California and Iowa to see which irrigation system makes the most practical and economical choice under different farming conditions. Part 1. Components required for a 1-acre drip irrigation system. Let's begin with the drip irrigation system. Before we compare costs, we first need to know what equipment is actually required to install a complete drip irrigation system on a 1-acre plot. A typical 1-acre drip irrigation system usually includes the following components: water source, water pump, filtration unit, mainline pipe, sub-main pipe, control, valves, pressure regulator, drip laterals, drip emitters or drip tape, connectors and fittings, end caps and flush valves. Now you might be wondering about the quantity, specifications, and estimated cost of each of these components. Instead of making this video unnecessarily long, I've prepared a complete cost breakdown table that includes the recommended quantities, estimated U.S. price ranges, and the total estimated cost for a typical 1-acre drip irrigation system. You can download this table for free using the link in the video description. It will make it much easier for you to estimate your own irrigation budget and compare prices with local suppliers. Now that we've seen the components required for a drip irrigation system, let's move on to the sprinkler irrigation system and see what equipment is needed there. Part 2. Components required for a 1-acre sprinkler irrigation system. Now that we've covered the drip irrigation system, let's look at the sprinkler irrigation system. Unlike drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the root zone, a sprinkler system distributes water through the air, creating an effect similar to natural rainfall. Because of this, some of the components are similar to a drip system, while others are specifically designed for sprinklers. A typical 1-acre sprinkler irrigation system usually includes the following components: water source, water pump, filtration unit, mainline pipe, sub-main pipe, control valves, pressure regulator, sprinkler laterals, sprinkler risers, sprinkler heads or nozzles, connectors and fittings, end caps and flush valves. Just like the drip irrigation system, the quantity, recommended specifications, and estimated U.S. price range for each component are included in a detailed comparison table. To keep this video simple and focused, I won't go through every value here. You can download the complete sprinkler irrigation cost table for free using the link in the video description. It includes the recommended quantities, estimated prices, and total installation cost for a typical 1-acre sprinkler irrigation system. Now that we've identified the equipment required for both irrigation systems, it's time for the most important part of this guide. In the next section, we'll compare the actual costs of drip and sprinkler irrigation side by side, including installation, maintenance, water consumption, and long-term operating expenses, so you can clearly see which system offers the better value for your investment. Part 3. Cost Analysis. Drip versus sprinkler irrigation. Now we've reached the most important part of this guide, the cost comparison. Since every farm is different, the numbers I'll share are estimated averages based on a typical 1-acre irrigation setup in the United States. Your actual cost may vary depending on your crop, water source, field layout, and local equipment prices. Let's compare both systems side by side. Initial installation cost. A drip irrigation system generally has a higher upfront cost because it requires more tubing, drip laterals, emitters, filters, and additional fittings. A sprinkler irrigation system usually costs less to install because it uses fewer distribution lines, and sprinkler heads can cover a larger area. Estimated cost: drip irrigation, $1,300 to $3,500. Sprinkler irrigation, $900 to $2,800. 2. Annual maintenance cost. Every irrigation system requires maintenance, but the type of maintenance is different. Drip systems need regular filter cleaning and occasional emitter replacement. Sprinkler systems may require nozzle replacement, pressure adjustments, and repairs caused by wind, equipment, or field operations. Estimated annual maintenance. Drip irrigation, $100 to $300 per year. Sprinkler irrigation, $150 to $400 per year. Water consumption. This is where drip irrigation has a clear advantage. Because water is delivered directly to the plant roots, very little is lost through evaporation or wind. Sprinklers, on the other hand, spray water into the air, so some water is naturally lost before it reaches the soil. On average, drip irrigation can reduce water use by about 30% to 50% compared with sprinkler systems, depending on the crop and local conditions. 4. Energy consumption. Because sprinkler systems usually operate at higher water pressure, they often require more pumping energy. Drip irrigation typically runs at lower pressure, which can reduce electricity or fuel costs over time. 5. 5-year ownership cost. When you combine equipment, installation, maintenance, water use, and energy costs, the overall picture becomes much clearer. A sprinkler system often has the lower upfront investment, making it attractive for farmers with a limited budget. However, a drip irrigation system can recover its higher initial cost over time through lower water consumption and reduced energy use, especially in areas where water is expensive. Final comparison. If your main goal is keeping the initial investment as low as possible, a sprinkler irrigation system is generally the more affordable option. But if your goal is saving water, lowering long-term operating costs, and improving irrigation efficiency, then a drip irrigation system is usually the better investment. One important thing to remember. Before you make your final decision, there's one more important factor to consider: the type of crop you're growing. Not every crop is suitable for the same irrigation system. Some crops have high water requirements and are often better suited to sprinkler irrigation because of the way water needs to be distributed across the field. On the other hand, many fruits, vegetables, orchards, and other high-value crops perform better with drip irrigation, where smaller amounts of water are applied directly to the root zone at regular intervals. So, choosing between drip and sprinkler irrigation isn't based on cost alone. It also depends on your crop, climate, soil type, and farming goals. Since crop selection plays such an important role, we'll cover which crops are best suited for drip irrigation and which perform better under sprinkler irrigation in a dedicated video. If you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe to Smart Farming Inside and turn on notifications. Now, let's move on to a real-world U.S. example and compare California and Iowa to see which irrigation system makes the most practical and economical choice under different farming conditions. Part 4. Real-world example: California versus Iowa. To better understand how climate affects irrigation costs, let's compare two well-known agricultural states in the United States, California and Iowa. Both have productive farmland, but their weather conditions are very different. Scenario 1. California. California has a hot, dry climate, especially in major farming regions like the Central Valley. During the growing season, rainfall is limited, so irrigation is essential for many crops. Because water is both valuable and limited, farmers often focus on systems that use every drop efficiently. Although a drip irrigation system usually has a higher installation cost, it can significantly reduce water consumption and pumping costs over time. For many fruit, vegetable, vineyard, and orchard growers, that long-term saving makes drip irrigation a worthwhile investment. Scenario 2. Iowa. Now let's look at Iowa. Iowa receives considerably more rainfall during the growing season than California. In many areas, crops can benefit from natural rainfall, and irrigation is often used only when additional water is needed. Since water availability is generally less of a concern, many farmers can justify choosing a sprinkler irrigation system, especially when the goal is to keep the initial investment lower while still providing supplemental irrigation when conditions become dry. What can we learn? These two examples show that there isn't a single irrigation system that's best for every farm. If you're farming in a hot, dry region where water conservation is a priority, a drip irrigation system can provide better long-term value despite the higher initial cost. If you're farming in an area with more dependable rainfall and irrigation is only needed occasionally, a sprinkler irrigation system may offer the better balance between cost and performance. That's why every irrigation decision should consider your local climate, water availability, crop requirements, and long-term operating costs, not just the purchase price. I hope this comparison has helped you better understand the real costs of installing a 1-acre drip or sprinkler irrigation system. If you found this guide useful, consider sharing it with other growers who are planning an irrigation system, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Farming Inside for more practical farming guides and real-world agricultural comparisons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.